Remembrance Day. My grandfather fought in World War II. My grandfather fought in World War II. My grandmother was a nurse in World War II. My grandmother was a nurse in World War II. Today is November 11th. Today is November 11th. Today is Remembrance Day. Today is Remembrance Day. Today we celebrate soldiers. Today we celebrate soldiers. Everyone wears a poppy. Everyone wears a poppy. Poppies are red flowers. Poppies are red flowers. Poppies remind me of my grandparents. Poppies remind me of my grandparents. Poppies remind me of their sacrifice. Poppies remind me of their sacrifice. At 11 a.m., there are 2 minutes of silence. At 11 a.m., there are 2 minutes of silence. People remember their friends and family. People remember their friends and family. People recite the poem in Flanders Field. People recite the poem in Flanders Field. It is a sad poem. It is a sad poem. It helps us remember. It helps us remember. Today we wish for peace in the world. Today we wish for peace in the world.